the miracle of the Qur'an in the creation of man. The contents of the atom, Allah said, not even as much as the weight of an ant in earth or heaven escapes your Lord, nor is there anything smaller or greater, but it is recorded in a clear book. Yunus 61, meaning of the verse, that Allah does not hide anything from his knowledge in the sky or the earth, even if this thing is an atom's weight or less than an overload or greater than it. Scientists used to believe that the smallest part of the elements was the atom until the 19th century. Then they discovered that the atom contains its constituent parts, the smallest of which are 1. the proton, 2. the neutron, 3. the electron, and by these parts they invented the atomic and hydrogen bomb. The word atom is mentioned in the Quran 6 words and is always preceded by the word ballast, so that Allah Almighty assures us that the atom has weight, and that each atom is defined by this weight, or what is newly called atomic weight. Today, we find in atomic science that scientists always write the name of the atom, along with its atomic weight, and this is what the Quran did in all the verses that talked about the atom, where the word weight is always associated with the word atom. Couple exists in everything. Allah said, we created two kinds of all things, so that you will remember. At Thuriyat 49, meaning of the verse, Allah created all creatures and things from two pairs. The word something here includes humans, animals, and plants, and also includes inanimate objects. Is there an inanimate couple? In describing the plant and its germination as marital, Allah Almighty said, we spread out the earth and set upon it firm mountains, and we cause every delightful thing to grow in it. Kaf 7. In the past, scientists used to think that marital, male and female, exist only in the human and animal types, so modern science has established that matrimony is found in plants, as well as inanimate objects, and in every atom of the universe. Atoms, even electricity, in which there is a positive and negative. Even the atom has a proton, the neutron. When the scholars looked at the components of the atom, they found the negative and positive parts in all of its parts. In the world of plants, this matter is repeated, so we always find the feminine and the male counterpart. Even in some plants that have no masculine and feminine, we find that the plant itself contains both male and female parts. Even in the world of the seas and rivers, there is fresh water, but very sweet and brackish salt water, and this is what the Quran talks about. The two seas are not alike. One is fresh, sweet and pleasant to taste, while the other is salt and bitter. Yet, from each you eat fresh flesh and bring forth out of it ornaments for you to wear. And you see the ships plow their course through it, so that you may seek his bounty, and in order that you give thanks. Fata 12. The water itself is composed of two parts, positive and negative. Each water molecule is made up of a negative oxygen atom and two atoms of positive hydrogen. Thus most of the chemical compounds. Almighty says, and it is he who has created all the pairs and appointed for you ships and the cattle on which you ride. Az Zukhruf 12. RR, Regab Abdul Nazir Abdul Shafi.